Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Farisha binti Arif. I am the group leader of Safabelle, and today my friends and I would like to present our demonstration on our drive-through pharmacy system. So firstly, I'm going to start with the register page. So as you can see, this is our company's register page. There is our company logo, which is Safabelle drive-through pharmacy system, and this is the form that the user has to enter, which consists of username, email, password, confirm password, contact number, and register button right here. And for those who already have an account, they can just click on this login, so it will direct them to the page, to the login page. So firstly, if I'm going to register, for example, I'm going to register for the admin, I just insert the details, and insert any contact number and click on the register button. So it will direct us to the login page of our system, and as you can see in the database, previously there is no admin in our user table. So if I refresh it, you can see that the admin account has been successfully registered, and these are the details. And for the password, it has been hashed for security purpose, so even the database admin itself, they can't see what is the password of that particular user. It is for security purpose. So let's get back to the login page. So this is our login page. There is also our company's logo, and this is the form right here and the title of the form, which is login. So the user have to enter the username and password and click on the login button. If they don't have any account, they can just click on the sign up right here, and it will direct them to the register page just now. So for example, I've already signed up the admin, so I just insert the username and password and click on the login button. So yeah, if you have entered the correct username and password, it will welcome the user right here, welcome admin, and you can see our website right here. So if you have already finished with your things, I mean, if you have already buy some medicine or add some patients and do stuff here, you can just proceed to log out by clicking this log out button right here, and it will direct you to the login page again. So I think that's all from me. I will then pass it to my friends. Thank you. I will start with the register page. So first, I have already opened the PHP tag and started the session, and then I've already connected these register.php files with our database. Our database name is id15801921_authentication, and this is our password, this is the username, and this is the host name. So after we have connected the files to the database, we first created the form in the body of the HTML. So yeah, we have already created a form. Method, post, and action is register.php, so that this form, after the user enter the register button, it will redirect the form and the data into this register page. So for our form, we have asked the user to enter their username, email, password, confirm password, and the contact number. So this data that the user has entered will be saved in our database after the user click the submit button, which is the register button. So to do that, we have already created coding inside the PHP tag, which is if is set post register button, which means if the user enter the register button, this is to declare the username, email, password to, and contact variable, so that we can save the data that user entered into our database. So after we have already declared the variable, we're going to check whether the password and the second password is the same. If it is the same, then we will create the user. But if it is not the same, the website will pop up the message, the two passwords do not match. If the password is the same, it will first match the password. This is for security purpose. And then we created the SQL, insert into user, username, email, password, contact, values, username, email, password, and contact. This is to store the value, store the data into the database in the table user. So, and after that, we're going to create a code so that we can run the SQL. We're going to store this command, store it into the variable register. And if it is successful, if the registration is successful, the website will pop up the message, your account has been created, and then will welcome the user according to its username. And then the page will be redirected to the login page. Else, if the account is failed to be created, then the website will pop up the message, failed to create account. In the HTML tag, we only create a title, for example, register, and then these are some of the CSS. And there is also a link here for the user who already have an account, so that they don't have to re-register. They will just have to click on the login, because we have already linked the login text here to login page.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Putri Safabelle Natasha, and I will explain about the index page for our website project. So as you can see here, I use admin account to log in, so it comes up with welcome admin. So for the slideshow, it's just to show for our targeted audience, for example like the center, a hospital, or even pharmacy. We move to the next part. Here we have the calendar, diseases, and top products. For the calendar, we could put some notes, like this one, restock medicine. This one is generous report update, and last one is meeting at 2 p.m. For the next part is the daily sales. Daily sales just to show the highest daily sales. So we have, like for the whole week, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and lastly Sunday, which have the highest sales. But basically we have for the whole week. Next we have top products, which is the highly requested medicine. At this one, first we have paracetamol, sulfarin, antibiotics, Bristol, and painkillers. Well, that's all for our index page, and that's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Safabelle. So I'm going to explain you about Safabelle drive-through pharmacy system. So here we have Safabelle drive-through pharmacy system logo, navigation, dashboard, patient, buy, medicine, about, setting button, log button. So what we got here is project member, the title is project member. And we have table. In this table, we have picture and name, student number, program code, group, and email. So here we have our project, our members, picture of our members, and name of our members. Next, we have their student number, our program code, our group, and our email. At the bottom of it, we have the ERD of our system. So we have here three tables. We have medicine table, user table, and patient table. In mixing table, we have primary key and foreign key, while user table only have one key, it is private key. And in patient table, it is similar to mixing table. We have primary key and foreign key. I think that's all about Safabelle drive-through pharmacy system. Thank you.
We will click patient button, and then it will display a patient record, which include patient ID, patient name, phone number, and date of birth. This record is from our database. For now, we have only 33 records, and then at the below also have display patient button. When we click, it will also display the patient record. Okay, for now, I want to search patient by using their ID. So I want to search ID 23, which patient name Natasha. Okay, I will click search patient, and then I will insert the patient ID 23, and then click find, and then it will display ID 23 and patient name Natasha. Okay, I will explain about display patient form. Okay, in this form, we want to display table patient details in this form. Okay, the details required is patient ID, patient name, phone number, and date of birth. Okay, this is DB Connect. We use MySQLi_Connect, localhost, and then this is our username, and then this is our password, and then this is our database name. We use query equals to select from patient with each patient tables, and then fetch query equals to MySQLi_query. Okay, this is a sum of the CSS. Okay, the navigation of in this form have dashboard, patient, by medicine, and about. And at the right of the navigation have log out. And then we also have drop down content, which is for edit medicine and edit patients. Okay, for patient record, we use table and row to display the details. Okay, for the table header, we have patient name, phone number, and date of birth. And then this is the coding we use to display the patient details from the database to this form. We use while row equals to MySQL_fetch_array fetch query. And then this coding will transfer the patient name, phone number, and date of birth from the database to this form. And then below we have display patient and search patient. In search patient, we can search the patient details by using their ID. Okay, for now I want to edit Natasha phone number and edit Natasha name, which is I will input Natasha full name. Okay, click this button and then click edit patient, and then enter the ID is 23, and then I will put her full name Natasha. Natasha binti Ismail, and then for new phone number, and then enter a date of birth, and then click update, and then we try to search Natasha, and then yeah, the Natasha names and phone number was updated.
For the next part, I will explain about add patient page. So basically, as the title said, for this page, we want to add patient. So we need to enter the patient ID. Let us put any patient ID. For example, 23, and patient name, just put my name, which is Natasha, and just put a random number for the phone number, and lastly the date of birth. We need to put it in like this, so 2000, what's the one, and the date. That's it, we add. Let us check if it's updated the database. Yes, there is it. The patient that we just add. Well, that's all for add patient. Thank you. Last but not least, I will explain about our update medicine page. As usual, as the title said, for this page, we want to update the medicine. So let us check the medicine database, because I don't remember the name. So we copy here the name. Remember that the quantity in stock is 250 and the price is 20 ringgit. So we go back to the update medicine page, enter the medicine number like from before is first one, so 1, copy paste that, and the quantity, remember, is 250, now we put 200, and for the price, remember, it's 20 ringgit, so now we put 10 ringgit. So that is it. We click update, and see, we can see it here, we successfully updated it. And that's all for update medicine. Thank you.
Daily medicine page. So we have Safabelle, our system logo, Safabelle Drive to Pharmacy system, and we have navigation, dashboard, patient, buy medicine, about, setting, and logout. So we have daily medicine table. So we got no number of medicine, name of the medicine, quantity in stock, price, select and delete. So I'm going to show you demo how to delete the medicine. First, we have to select which one we want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this. So we just have to click the button delete. So later you'll pop up a message, record deleted. So there's no more. It's only 16. So next, we're gonna look at the demo how to add medicine. It is easy. We just have to fill in the form, enter medicine number 17, because the last time we have 16 medicine. Then we have to enter medicine name and quantity and the price for the medicine. Let's say it is 30 ringgit. So after finish fill this form, we'll have to click the add button. Add and there is a success, because we enter 17, the medicine number is 17, medicine name, quantity of the medicine, and the price. That's it. We did it. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aimi Amisha. So today I want to show you how to buy medicine from our website. Okay, firstly, you need to add the medicine that you want and type the quantity and click add to cart. After that, if you only add the medicine, you can click on remove item button, and then it will display product has been removed, and then you just click OK. But if you confirm to buy it, you can just click on checkout, but before that you need to choose the payment type, and then after you click checkout, it will display thank you for your payment, and then you can just click back to dashboard. Thank you.